I think this is probably a new subscriber or new or trialer. What does it mean when the risk range is broken? Double up or close position and reassess?
Well, first, there's no such thing as the risk range is broken. You're thinking about like traditional technicians. You're thinking about the low end of the range, for example, being a level of support. That is not what the risk range is. The trend line is. So if the trend line breaks, that level of support broke and you get the you-know-what out. So you stop yourself out. So the trend and trade lines, trade trend tail lines, guys, show slide, I think it's slide 20 in the current deck. That's our vernacular. If any of those lines break, they're not your old wall monkeys technical lines. They're multi-factor, multi-duration, fractal in nature. Okay. If any of those break up or down, above or below, that's what you're thinking. All right. When you think about the risk range, it's a dynamic and daily real-time look. In the case of what I'm doing in real-time alerts, that's what I'm using. I may not publish it every minute of the day, but you'd be damn sure that every signal and every decision that I make in real-time alerts has to do with explicitly that. As I pointed out, the daily ranges that we're providing are based on closing market prices. So again, that is, again, a batter's box, so to speak, of a probable range. It doesn't mean anything other than that, all right? And again, if you could, you would. If you're below the low end of the range, it's an even better place. It's an even more obvious place to hit the ball. That's like the pitcher saying to you, I am going to throw you an 80-mile-an-hour fastball right down the middle. And you're like, huh? But it's not, you were supposed to tell me it was going to be 95, and it's more, no. If it's bullish trend and it's below the range, you buy it more aggressively, okay? You hit that ball harder. And that's actually what I really wait for. So something like energy or tech, which are two of the longs, utilities, and REITs. Again, if it's below what the published risk range is, it's actually an even better price to be buying it than where that original risk range was published, which is based on closing prices.